Hey, this is Chuck at Aquatic Artist, and I am back at this really cool waterfall renovation that we did this year. And we're back at the site. The place is complete. It looks dynamite. There was an old 20-year-old waterfall. It was like this cast concrete thing with rock and kind of old and dated and didn't look wonderful. So the customer didn't like it. So we came in and we proposed to create a new beautiful piece of artwork and take that thing out completely and built this two-tiered water feature to kind of complement the space. Much bigger boulders, much more creativity, a beautiful cantilevered rock waterfall that cascades into the pool with a little stream. And the second tier, there was plants here and we took them out. And then when we rebuilt the water feature, we replanted the plants in, added a couple lights, and in a couple days turned this old weathered, dated water feature into a beautiful new feature. And the customer loves it. One of the things that made it very challenging was this access. This property is immaculately maintained. It's like impeccable. And they have a beautiful lawn and a beautiful paver driveway. So we came in, we put rubber mats down and our thick, heavy duty plastic mats, and we protected the driveway and we protected the lawn. And after 4 days of being here and running probably 5 or 6 tons of material out of the yard and 6 or 8 tons of material into the yard, we didn't damage the grass, we didn't damage the property. It looked like we were never here when we got done. So again, another happy customer. But the devil's in the details. You can build a beautiful water feature, but if you leave the place a mess, that's what the customer's gonna remember. They're gonna remember the last thing. Like when you go to dinner, you always remember dessert. So keep that in mind when you're building something. Always finish up, polish it up, give it a spit shine, make it perfect. So the customer was very happy that we did not destroy their beautifully meticulous yard. We built them a beautiful water feature in a couple days that they get to enjoy with their family for years to come.